day 3 of Camaro Fest. It's going to be another hot day. This morning we're going to go to the Corvette Museum, and then we'll head out to Beach Bend Park. It was the last night of Camaro Fest, and it's been a lot of fun. We've seen a lot of really cool cars. We've met a lot of cool people, and we'll see them again next year. But for now, we're going to have a little parking lot fun and just chill out.
Hey, Mr. Kentucky here.
What's happening tonight?
Oh, it's a parking lot party here at the Holiday Inn in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Last night of Camaro Fest.
Very last night.
And what are we going to do next year?
We're going to be right back here next year in Bowling Green, Kentucky, the week after the 4th of July.
All right.
Wonderful.
Fantastic. We'll see you next year.
See you next year, guys. Y'all have a good time.